Huyu Yesu Isaya danganye. Guys, I bought something new. Come closer. So I got a sewing machine. I'm super excited for this. God knows how long I've really wanted such a machine. It's an upgrade from this one. When I bought it, I was just praying on my way back home because I know it's a game changer for me. There's a product that I'm making and I'll be needing such a heavy duty machine to make those products, and I'm super excited for this. Should we unbox it? Ama, I leave you two guys. I know it's an unboxing video and I want to do this with you, my new baby. So yeah, come along, let's unbox it. Let's get started. Ta-da! I wish it was properly wrapped in a ribbon, but all the same, it's okay. There we have it. Whoa, guys, I'm super excited. Super excited. It's a machine head. Oops. It's quite heavy and I don't want to mess this packaging. Ta-da! Should we go to the more interesting part right now? Let's take a photo. Okay, let's now go to the main part. I'm sorry for the background noise. There goes my new baby. There goes my baby. Okay, let's do this carefully. Oops. There. Then now, I think this is it. Down here I have these. What are these? I'm not so sure what this is. I'll try fixing it using. I'll check if there's the manual to it. And here it is. Oops. this, I think this is the handle. Then this, I think this is where you wind the bobbin because it resembles this other part. I don't know how to fix it, but I'll know with time. So I write it. Here I have this box over here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's this bottle. This is for the machine oil. Oh, I have a tape measure. Another tape measure. Then I have 2 needles. Let me check if they're what size they are. Size 16 round needle. Then I have 2 screwdrivers. I think these are bobbins. Yeah, these are bobbins. Then this is that cutting for threading, if you know. I don't know how it's called, thread or something, I don't know. Then we have this part which I'm not sure of. And I'm disappointed there is no manual here. I don't know how to go about threading this machine, fixing it. I don't know. But I think I'll know with time. Practice makes perfect. So now over to unboxing the brand new machine. Guys, ta-da! Here's my machine. It's a bit dirty, but that's okay. So that's it. What are these for? I'm not even sure what these are for. Hey God. What are these? I'm not sure. I don't know, and there's no manual. So ah, what's this thing? And even where does it go? What are these? God. And I never bothered to ask them if this machine had a manual, and I didn't ask them about these things. Why didn't I ask? Huh? How does this operate? Where does this thing go? Hey, Jesus. But I love it. I love it because it's heavy compared to this other one. And I think it can sew a lot of things, a lot of heavy stuffs. Let's check down here. It's super dusty, very, very dusty. So I didn't also get the table, but I asked and they told me that I can use this table for the manual sewing machine. So let me try it on and check if it will fit. I hope it fits well because they assured me that I can use the same table. So right about now, out with the old, out with the old, and in with the new. I hope it fits perfect. It fits really well. So this one didn't really fit well. It was kind of hanging over here, but then this has just fit perfectly. I just love it. I'm in love, but I don't know how to thread it. But I guess I'll learn. This is the back stitch, and this one here is used. This is the stitcher. Is it called stitch regulator? The one that you use to adjust the stitches. I think this is it. I love, I love this. I love this. God is good. I've really wanted this for a long time. Then for the bags that I want to sew, like it won't give me a rough time here. You see, this place is just flat, so whatever I'll be sewing will just slide smoothly. This was giving me a lot of problems because of this part. You see this part, then it has this protruded part of good. This is perfect, perfect, perfect. I think I'll do some research on how to thread it, on how to oil it, because I don't know anything about it. But generally, it's a good heavy duty machine. Why is this thing folded? Is it okay? I hope so. Does the thread pass here? I don't know. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe.